Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to put these roses in this girl's eyes, like you see on the screen right now. I have a 17-second clip. As you see at the beginning, it has some movement to it. We'll go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't move my hands and arms. That's why it's up there. We'll go to one viewer for this. Put media in selected. Shift space and planar tracker. There's not a whole lot of movement, so I'm not going to change anything. I'm in the middle of the timeline, so I'll have to track both ways. And to do that, you have to hit set. And then track. Now I want to save 3 of these planar transforms. And there they are. We can delete the tracker now. All the data from the tracker is now in these planar transforms. I'm going to put the playhead on frame 0. Get a polygon. Then hit invert and you'll be able to see your scene again. I don't have a middle mouse wheel like you guys do to zoom in and move this up and down or left and right. That's why I have to use that drop down menu in case you're wondering. And when you close the loop, select this modify only tool. That'll prevent you from making any points in your polygon mistakenly. So smooth the top and bottom. Smooth these handles. You hold the control button down, you can move one at a time. If you don't, they'll both move. Alright, that's that one. With the first polygon selected. Get another one. And we'll do the same thing with the other eye. If you need to move this around when you highlight them, use the arrows on the keyboard, you can move the points. For the sake of the tutorial, that's good enough. And make sure the second polygon selected. Go to paint mode. And change it to invert. Now both the eyes should be masked out. If you scrub the playhead, you'll see they don't stay with the movement. So go one of these planar transforms. Make sure you plug it into the yellow. And now if you scrub the playhead, you'll see it staying with the movement. Select the media in. Get 2 merges. Bring your picture down that's going in the eyes. Just to show you, I'm not going to put the planar transforms on yet. After you plug it in, right click on the merge and swap inputs. Now select the media in, shift space, and resize. And in the inspector, select the auto resolution. With the resize node selected, get a transform. Right now this is center. But take the size down around 0.15. Something like that. And you'll see when you move it again, it's not staying with it. So get another planar transform. Again, connect to the yellow input. And now it's staying with the movement. But we're going to readjust it a little bit. Select the transform. And we'll get another picture for the other eye. And right click the merge. And swap inputs. Put the media selected. Get another resize node. Again, check the auto resolution. Put the resize node selected. Get a transform. We'll set the size to 0.15 on that one as well. And you guessed it, it's not going to stay tracked. That's what the last planar transform's for. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.